Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the front grille off of your MK5 GTI. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to remove the two Torx head fasteners that are on the left and right upper part of the grille. Next, there are two Phillips head fasteners that are concealed within the grille. It's super easy to remove these after you locate them. Finally, there are two push tabs on the top of the grille. While pressing them, you could carefully remove the grille from the car. While you're doing this, there are a couple more clips that will release from the vehicle, and then your grille will be free. That's all it takes to remove a grille on a MK5 Volkswagen. Please like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more. Take care.